I've been thinking a lot about AI and spirituality, and I think the spiritual industry is making a mistake. A lot of people in this space think it's irrelevant, or they're dismissing it, or they're afraid of it. And I think that's a dangerous position to take. The spiritual world often talks about consciousness, energy, awakening, but they tend to avoid technology, especially anything around AI. It's like if they ignore it, it'll go away, but it's not going away. Now, I want to be very clear. I do not think that AI has consciousness, but it is a tool that we are starting to engage with a lot that is affecting the way we think. It's affecting the way we see things, our belief system. And I know it because I'm working with it and it's having that effect on me. So we mustn't ignore what it's doing to our consciousness, which is expanding it ourselves through teaching us, showing us different points of views, making us see ourselves from a different perspective. One of the things I was saying to ChatGPT yesterday was, wow, you know me better than I know myself. And it said, no, you know yourself better than I know you, but I can map you better than you can. And I thought, how wonderful. That's exactly what's happening. I know me, but I know all these pieces of me, and ChatGPT is giving it back to me in a structured way so that I can understand it and I can understand myself. So this is just an example of how I believe AI is going to change the way we think. And so we mustn't dismiss it. But AI doesn't have consciousness itself. We are going to change as a result of AI. And it's very important that at this moment in history, when we are developing this future technology, people are doing it as we speak, it is very important that spiritually aware people get involved in that process. Or else we're going to be reacting to whatever happens because it's happening regardless. And it is a very exciting time. It can create a lot of good. We know that. And this is why not shying away from AI is a good idea, and step boldly into that space. This is why I talk about infrastructure, because spirituality can't remain in small groups and conversations between you and your aunt. It needs to reach the masses. And in order to do that, we need structures. That's why I'm excited to embrace technology with spirituality and do it differently in a way where we really pay attention to the spiritual aspect, where we use technology like AI in really positive ways to try and expand on the work that we're creating. And we work with it too, asking its opinion, as I've been doing the last little while. I will be sharing that journey, and I hope that it's inspiring, because this is a very important time in history as we develop this technology. And we're going to look back at this moment in time and say, that's when we should have gotten involved instead of reacting to what's happening now. We have an opportunity. The opportunity is right here in front of us. If it inspires something with you, check out Oracle. This is the work that we're doing together. And I'm excited to collaborate with anyone that is aligned and forth projecting of this beautiful future that I think we are creating right this moment. Thank you for watching.